first thank to PETA for this great initiative of being vegetarian and taking coming up with a voice of killing against animal or any kind of fish or anything. It's a great initiative by PETA, and I completely support it, and I thank them for taking this initiative. And getting me a part of this was, it's just like a privilege to me to be a part and support something like this. I've been vegetarian by birth, and somehow early days of fitness, I used to think, hey, why can't I eat non-vegetarian? Why can't I make a fitter body? Why can't I try and get natural sources of proteins? But then every time I tried, somehow every time I tried to try, my body rejected the smell naturally. So I guess I was born to be a vegetarian, and I'm proud to be a vegetarian, and I'm proud to support the PETA campaign. No, it's completely a myth, I must say. I've been a sportsman from childhood, school times. I've always been aggressive. It's just about your metabolism. It's just about eating right. People feel vegetarians have no options, but I think vegetarians have the most options over non-vegetarians, because fish will have 5 kinds, chicken, mutton will have 4 kinds and 4 dishes. But in vegetarian, you have at least 30 kinds of pulses, at least 100 kinds of vegetables to eat, sources of protein like paneer, there are sources of protein like tofu, and all enriched green vegetables. I think if you plan a good diet, protein becomes the most essential to make a good body, like the one I have. But there are supplements that are available in the market which are vegetarian and which can support your meal replacement and really help you gain a good body. And that's how I think I'm able to do it. Well, I would like to say, in terms of humanity, I feel killing animals is not a good thing to do, or killing anything for that matter is not a good thing to do. So, being vegetarian, what I've learned, I've always spoken to my physicians, and they tell me that one advantage that you have over anybody who eats non-vegetarian food is you'll always have a good skin. Your skin would not hang with age. You will age slower. You will age healthier. And these are the benefits that being a vegetarian versus a non-vegetarian is an advantage. Being a non-vegetarian, you can feel fitter today, but in the long run, it's very harmful. Vegetarian is something that keeps you going in a long run. So I would like to say to everyone that try and be a vegetarian, see how healthy I am, see how fit I feel, and you will feel the same. I hope so. Thank you. Actually, PETA हमेशा ढूंढती है कि वेजिटेरियंस कहाँ मिलेंगे उनको, जो कि एक सेलिब्रिटी भी है या एक पब्लिक फिगर है और जो इस कैंपेन को सही ढंग से सपोर्ट कर पाएंगे. So they contacted me, and the moment they contacted me, I did not even think twice. I was on it. Well, 12 साल की उम्र में मैंने पहली बार डंबल उठाया था, लेकिन फुल फ्लेजेड 16 साल की उम्र से चालू कर दिया था. बट आई थिंक टाइम लगता है, सही ढंग का आपका डाइट प्लान लगता है. आई थिंक डाइट प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ योर बॉडी, वॉट एवर इट इज फूड. अगर आपने सही ढंग का खाना रखा, न्यूट्रिशन रखा, देन यू कैन मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ बॉडी दैट यू वांट.
सचिन, ये छोटी सी चिड़िया आपकी बॉडी पर हम देख रहे हैं, ये काफी डिफरेंट किया आपने. ये किसका आइडिया था, या
ये PETA का आइडिया है एक्चुअली. और हमेशा एक छोटी सी चिड़िया हमेशा साथ में रहता है.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.